The new words today are do and a. We write d, oo, we read do. Now that phonogram is a, o, oo. It's saying its third sound in this word, so we put a little 3 above it. The d only has one sound, so it gets no markings. We leave an a, o, oo space before the next word. We write d, oo, we read do. Make sure that you keep both phonograms in the word really close together, almost touching, and remember to put the markings on the word each time you write the word. One more time, leave an a, o, oo space, then write d, oo, we read do. The next word is the word like I see a snowman. It's a single letter, vowel, and because it's a vowel at the end of a syllable, it should be saying its name. So we write a, and we underline it because it should be saying its name. But because when we say it or read it, we say that's a schwa sound, so we put this little partial triangle, called a caret, above the word to show that it is a vowel saying a, but it's saying or we read it Then we leave an a, o, oo space. We write a, we read So this word has 2 markings. Another a, o, oo space. We write a, we read So even though this is a single letter, we don't print them close together like we would if we were practicing it as the phonogram a, a. It's a word this time, so we leave an a, o, oo space in between each one.